3D White Brilliance toothpaste. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a good choice. It effectively removes 100% more surface stains than regular toothpaste within 3 days, thanks to its micro-cleansing formula with hydrated silica and sodium hexametaphosphate. Its fluoride content strengthens enamel and prevents cavities while whitening, offering dual protection against stains and decay. The toothpaste's vibrant purple color transforms during brushing, leaving a fresh, luminous mint flavor without harsh chemical aftertastes. Users report noticeably brighter teeth after consistent use, particularly praising its gentle action on sensitive enamel and 24-hour stain prevention when used twice daily. The inclusion of sodium lauryl sulfate ensures thorough cleaning, while carrageenan and xanthan gum provide a smooth texture. Designed for daily use, it balances whitening intensity with oral health benefits, making it a practical choice for those seeking gradual yet visible results without professional treatments.